are you all? You're doing good? Today we will write, cursive writing, right? Last class, ma'am has taught till L, right? Today, in this class, we are going to learn how to write the letter M in cursive. Shall we begin? Come. So what is this, children? Yeah, it's a mango, right? Look at this, how it is. Ma'am has already taught you the stroke, right? And then inverted U, then inverted U, right? Now we are going to do the same. First, what you have to do? You have to trace it. Stroke, then inverted U, again inverted U, M, right? Stroke, inverted U, again inverted U, M. Stroke, inverted U, again inverted U, M. Now you are going to tell me in which line we have to start the stroke. Is it the first blue line or the second blue line? You're right. We have to start the stroke from the second blue line and go to the first blue line and then start putting inverted U, again inverted U, and then finish the stroke, right? Ma'am is going to practice 2 more times, and I hope by watching this video you also will do the same, right? Look how beautifully ma'am has written. Like that you have to write using the pencil. Hold the pencil steadily and then put the stroke from the blue line and then go to the first blue line, then put the stroke, inverted U, and then inverted U, then finish the stroke, right? So we are going to write the M only between these 2 lines. We will not touch the red line. Have you watched this? Did you notice? So ma'am is going to complete the tracing, and I hope you also completed along with me. So ma'am will show you how to write without tracing also. So ma'am told you from the second blue line, you have to put a stroke till the first blue line. Then you put inverted U once and then twice and then complete the stroke. So ma'am is going to write 3 more times for you. Okay? That's all. Ma'am has completed. Is a sound of the letter M, and as in mango. Okay, dear children? Ma'am will see you in the next class. Please practice cursive M. Okay? Bye.